So it's New Year's Eve, last day of this absolutely wretched year, and just like most of the other days during this year, we're going to make a drink. Okay, so before we make the drink, I've got some business to take care of. We got some merch going. So Matt, good buddy of mine, designed. We've got some Juicy Boy stickers going. Yeah, so here they are. I'm gonna drop a link, and I'm gonna send out free stickers. So I'm gonna drop a link. Just tell me who wants them and where to mail them, and I will send you wonderful people some stickers. So there we go. That's my gift to you guys. Okay, let's make the drink, right? Karina requested, this is turning into just like the Karina request show. She requested a vodka drink. I haven't done a vodka drink. So I was thinking, what do I do? Bloody Mary? No, she doesn't like that. How about, I know she likes the Wallbanger that they make at Green Dot. So we can make a Wallbanger, and that's a good like morning hangover cocktail. So you can maybe use this tomorrow on New Year's Day. So super simple cocktail, right? The first thing is it's Galliano. I probably said that wrong, probably butchered it. It's basically like a vanilla liqueur. So we're gonna start with that. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a ½ ounce of this. This is one of those that like if you check like your grandma's bar cart, like it might be there, just like hiding around. Okay, so a ½ ounce of this into each drink. ½ ounce of, I gotta make it so it's easy to crop. ½ ounce Galliano. Cool. So got that in there. Vodka drink, right? Karina likes her Tito's. So let's get some teats going. Ounce and a half of teats. There we are. You know Tito's, the guy's name, his name is Tito Beverage, and he makes vodka. Unbelievable, right? Okay. He's over here. I don't want to use vodka, so I'm going to use tequila. It's a versatile drink, right? So ounce and a half of tequila. Yeah. Ounce and a half of that. Cool. So now we need some juice, right? And thankfully, let's get some Juicy Boys going. Come on over, Director Reens. We asked for it, and some friends of the show delivered. We received, I got not one, but 2 commercial juice presses. So thanks to Eric and Tracy got us one, and then my brother John and Heidi got us one. So here we are, commercial juice press. I'm getting fresh orange juice for this drink. Breakfast cocktail, like I said, right? I already started squeezing, or getting some juice, because it's not a juice press show, it's a drinks show. But here we go, we'll get one going just so you guys can see how fun. It's just so satisfying. Goes right into the glass. No more hand juicer. We're just really coming up in the world. We're out here doing grapefruits, all kinds of stuff. Karina doesn't, I don't know if she loves the juice press yet. She's just happy it's downstairs, I think. So there we go, getting some fresh OJ going. That's good. I need a cup to like catch the drips, you know? Okay, so swap that in there. Cool. Let's get our fresh OJ going. Okay, so basically it's usually about 3 ounces. Got it framed right. Director Reens is taking a new mobile approach to this. Okay, so usually it's about 3 ounces, but I'm just gonna kind of, just kind of pour it in there till it looks good. So we'll get some here. Get some over here. I'm spilling it. Just spilling it everywhere. Okay, that's pretty good. It's not as high in the glass as I would like, but we're working with these vintage Kentucky Derby glasses. It's pretty good. To sweeten it up and make it a little prettier, I'm going to put just a couple drops of grenadine in this one for Karina. Shaky McCandless in here. Let's get a little grenadine in there for the Reens. That's a lot of grenadine for Reens. That's okay. Stir them up. And there they are, Wallbangers. So come on up, Director Reens, come get your drink. I hope you guys have a happy new year. There it is. And, we'll be back next year with more drinks. Remember, click the link, get yourself some stickers.